Hi, in this video, we will show you how to record phone calls on an iPhone. With the latest iOS update, you can finally record phone calls directly on your iPhone, giving you the convenience of saving important conversations for future reference. And if your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence, you'll get transcription of these calls too. Let's start. Once you're in a live phone call or a FaceTime audio call, look for the record button in the upper left corner of your screen. Tap it. The first time you use this feature, an explanatory message will pop up explaining exactly how recording works. When you start recording, both you and the person on the other end will hear a quick alert that says,
"This call will be recorded."
You can start or stop recording anytime during the conversation. After your call ends, just open the Notes app and check the Call Recordings folder. Here, you'll find your recordings and any notes you took during the call. Tapping on a recording lets you play it back, and you'll also see a transcript that labels who's speaking, making it easy to follow along. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest iPhone features. Thanks for watching.